Nerve damage can sound scary, but guess what? It's actually a quite common condition that affects many people. It happens when our nerves, the tiny messengers of our body, get damaged. It can cause feelings like pain, numbness in the hands and feet, tingling, or weakness. But did you know that some simple seeds, yes, the kind you find in your kitchen, can be super helpful for our nerves? Well, it's true. Natural remedies and good nutrition are like secret weapons for our health. They are powerful, safe, and sometimes work wonders without needing fancy medications. So in the next few minutes, I will share with you the best seeds that can help heal and repair nerve damage. Each of these tiny treasures is packed with nutrients that can help your nerves heal and stay healthy. DrJedosaThePharmD here. Welcome and please like and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Chia Seeds. These little seeds are like super seeds for your health. They are filled with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. So what does this mean for you? Well, these nutrients are superstars for your health, especially your nerves. Imagine, nerves are like tiny wires in your body that send messages from your brain to other parts. So keeping them healthy is so important, and chia seeds can help with that. You see, omega-3s in chia seeds can help keep the covering of your nerves strong and healthy. And fiber is another great benefit of chia seeds. It keeps your digestive system running smoothly, which is important for your overall health. Plus, chia seeds are full of antioxidants that can fight off harmful things in your body that can damage your cells, including nerve cells. Additionally, there are anti-inflammatory properties and the high content of essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins help overall nerve functioning. Now, how can you add these amazing seeds to your diet? Well, it's easy. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your smoothie, or even make chia seed pudding. By adding chia seeds to your meals, you are not only making your food more interesting, but also giving your body and nerves the nutrients they need to stay healthy. So why not give chia seeds a try? Your body and nerves will thank you. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Now, you may have heard of hemp seeds, but do you know how amazing they are for your health, especially your nerves? First off, hemp seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrients. They are packed with things your body loves, like essential fatty acids, think omega-3, protein, and important vitamins and minerals. These are not just any nutrients. They are like your body's personal repair team, especially for your nerves. Now, you may wonder, how do these tiny seeds help my nerves? Well, the essential fatty acids in hemp seeds play a big role in maintaining healthy nerve cells. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids in particular are known for helping reduce inflammation that often exacerbates nerve pain, and they are also important for maintaining and repairing nerve tissue. Not only that, but hemp seeds contain gamma-linolenic acid, a type of omega-6 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation, and some studies suggest it can help with nerve pain caused by diabetic neuropathy. In addition, hemp seeds are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that is important for regulating nerve signals and calming effects on the nervous system. Imagine these seeds as a tune-up for your body, keeping everything running smoothly. And here's the best part. Just like chia seeds, you can simply add them to your yogurt and smoothies, or even mix them into your baking. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are highly regarded for their potential benefits in nerve damage and healing due to their rich nutritional profile. They are a great source of magnesium, which is essential for proper nerve function. On top of that, they have high antioxidant content, including vitamin E and carotenoids. You see, these antioxidants help protect your nerves from those nasty free radicals and oxidative stress that can cause nerve damage. And if you are dealing with nerve pain, pumpkin seeds could be a game changer. They have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease nerve pain. Plus, they are rich in essential fatty acids, which are super important for maintaining the protective coating around your nerve fibers. This ensures your nerves can send signals efficiently. But there is more. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of zinc, which aids in nerve signal transmission and cell regeneration. And they're not just about vitamins and minerals. They also provide amino acids like tryptophan and glutamate, which are key players in managing pain perception and how our nerves talk to each other. And let's not forget, they are rich in B vitamins, which are like the support crew for our entire nervous system. Number 4. Flax seeds. So why are flax seeds important, you may ask? Well, flax seeds are often highlighted for their role in supporting nerve health and healing nerve damage. This is because they are loaded with something called alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. These fatty acids are important for the health of our myelin sheath, which is a protective coating around our nerve fibers. Think of myelin sheath like insulation on electrical wires. It ensures that important signals in your body are transmitted smoothly and efficiently. Now, beyond this, flax seeds offer potent antioxidants like lignans, which fight against oxidative stress that can damage your nerve cells. In addition, their anti-inflammatory properties further aid in reducing nerve damage and promoting healing. So adding flax seeds to your diet can be a great way to support your nerve health. And there you have it. Remember, knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching.